to another episode of Mexican Cooking. Today we're going to be making something typical. It's a hot chocolate drink called ATOLE Champurrado. We typically make this drink during Advent and Christmas season and New Year's. And it's a great drink to have in the evening and with family and friends. So I'm going to go over the basics on how to make this. It's a really easy drink to make. You'll need water, cinnamon sticks, star of anise. You'll need masa. The masa that we use for tortillas is the one that we usually use. Your regular milk, evaporated milk, piloncillo, which is a raw sugar that we usually use, Mexican hot chocolate, and I'm going to be using a Oaxacan chocolate, but you can use, your abuela, Ibarra, any kind of style of Mexican chocolate. And then we're going to be using a pinch of salt, and that'll do it. It's a really easy drink to make. We hope that you enjoy this recipe today. Okay, one of the last steps before we begin boiling up the champurrado is that we're going to get our masa, and we get about a cup and a half of masa, and we put it into our blender. And then we're going to mix this in with about a cup of water, and you can test out and see how much you want to do on that. You go ahead and put your water in, and you're going to blend this up together. If you need more water, you can add more water afterwards. And we're just going to blend this and make a liquid out of this so we can put into our chocolate, and then it'll get very, very thick. So once you're done, I added a little bit more water into the masa, and you make it into a liquid form, and then you go ahead and take it over to your chocolate and mix it in. There's a saying that once you start mixing, that same person stays mixing. It's really, really important to stay with it slowly over time. It probably take about 10 minutes for it to start to thicken up. But it will thicken up. It'll start to boil and it'll thicken up, and then you want to go ahead and leave it like that. You constantly want to make sure that you use a wooden spoon tube because it will stick at the bottom, and you'll slow it down, and then it'll pretty much be ready then. go ahead and take your time stirring it over and over and over and keep it at low temperature, and it gets to the thickness that you like. Go ahead and turn it off and you're pretty much ready. You go ahead and serve your hot champurrado, and this is a wonderful drink. We usually have this with pan dulce, sweet Mexican bread, or we also do buñuelos for this particular season, the Advent, Christmas, and New Year's. Thanks very much. We hope you enjoyed this video making some champurrado. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks very much. All the best and happy holidays.